Hello guys, this is Gayatri Negi and you're watching Lex Click and I'm an intern in Lexis and Company. In this video, I will talk about the Cyprus doctrine, the purpose of Cyprus doctrine and what are the conditions for the application of Cyprus doctrine. So what is a Cyprus doctrine? A Cyprus doctrine is a legal notion that empowers court to interpret the provisions of a will, gift, inheritance or charitable trust if there are problems carrying out the original document intended desires or conditions, or if they can't be lawfully construed or legally implemented, the doctrine kicks in. Cyprus is a French term, Cyprus come possible, which means as near as possible. In the legal sphere, the phrase refers to ensuring that a donor's or testator's desires are followed out as nearly as possible, whether in a will or as a part of charitable trust or estate. When legal complications occur that make it impossible to distribute cash for any reason, the instrument of trust may become null and invalid. What is the purpose of Cyprus doctrine? Firstly, the Cyprus doctrine is a legal theory and that court used to prevent a charity trust from falling when a philanthropic purpose is impossible or impractical to achieve at the outset or afterwards. Secondly, rather than nullifying the charitable donation, the court might choose a new beneficiary who closely matches the donor's original purpose. For example, if a deceased formed a trust with the purpose that the remaining trust funds must go to a specific charity that no longer exists after the death of their last living relative, the court may transfer the funds to a similar organization that satisfies the descendants' general philanthropic aim. Thirdly and lastly, the Cyprus concept has also been used in the distribution of class action settlement awards if the money goes unclaimed or it is not cost effective to distribute the cash to each individual class member. A beneficiary such as a charity organization may be approved by the court in such instances. What are the conditions for the doctrine Cyprus? So the basic requirements could be: first, it must be difficult to actually carry out a donor's goal with the literal meaning. Secondly, the donor must have had a strong desire to help others. And thirdly and lastly, the new goal with which the property will be attached must be as close in nature as feasible to the settler's specific goal, but it must be impossible to implement. So this was all about Cyprus doctrine and its essentials. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.